All right. So my after reading strategy was exit slips and admin slips. So why should you use exit slips or admin slips? It really just helps connect one day's learning to the next day. So um, the students are reminded of what they learned from the previous days. It can also provide information on where the students are at, which kind of goes into the last one, just helping them remember of what they learned previous days. And it can help the kids focus when they enter and leave the classroom because a lot of times students, they like, when they get into the classroom, they like to talk or whatever. And it's like the same right at the end of the class. So the exit slips and admin slips is very easy to use. So at the beginning or the end of each class, you'll give students an index card. Okay. Then on the index card, they'll state either an idea, a question, a prediction, or a thought that they may have what they're gonna learn today. Next thing that you'll do is that you'll have the students turn in the responses at the start or end of each class, and then these notes can be used later to help start conversations with their group members. So maybe they can get a different perspective on a question, or maybe someone will have an answer for them.